Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'm going to be telling you about a very important topic, something that is the center of attraction for most university graduates. Everyone want to get into it, everyone want to do it. That's what software engineering, right? Software engineering. Oh, basically, I'll be telling you the overview of software engineering, what to consider, what is a good software, why is it related to engineering, why is it called software engineering, and a lot of different things I'll be explaining to you over a couple of minutes. So keep watching this video, and if you have not already done, please hit the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to click that little notification icon so that you'll be updated each time we post a new video. All right, now that let's first understand what software engineering. If you look at the term, you will notice that it's made of two words: software and engineering. Those two words combine and form the word software engineering. So in order for us to understand what is software engineer, we have to first of all break it. Okay, now we'll look at the first word in the term software engineer, which is software. So basically, a software is not just a program code like a piece of computer script that you write, that can perform some kind of computational purposes, like maybe tell your age or maybe ask your computer to print out certain documents or something like that. So program is way more than that. Like software is way more than that. Basically, a software is a collection of these small programs. These programs we write in our basic programming languages like PHP, HTML, and other languages, JavaScript, Python, and everything. Per so these programs, when they are written together and combined, plus the libraries and the documentations attached to them, we refer to them as software. So basically, when these products are made for a specific purpose, like maybe to serve on university or maybe to serve on the election commissions or to perform a specific kind of function, they are referred to as software products. On the other hand, the engineering aspect is all about the developing of products, using well-defined and structured scientific principles and methods. That's why you have to do a lot of mathematical and engineering courses when you study software engineering, especially in Morocco for the first 3 years. You have to learn some basic science and mathematics and physics and other courses to kind of strengthen you for the actual work of an engineer. So having said all of this in a nutshell, software engineering is an engineering branch associated with development of software product using well-defined and structured scientific principles, methods, and procedures. So, outcome of good software engineering is efficient and reliable software product. So, watch out for my next video. I'll be making a video shortly about the evolution of software. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.